today we will talk about the Chives and how can you leave the Foxy pool. This will be the video of the last step on the Foxy instructions, and I'm going to show you the correct way for you to leave the pool, and maybe on the future you decide to come back. This is the option for you to do that. So let's follow and check the guide. We are here on their website, the chives-og.foxy-pool.io. Start with the info, and after that we go for this guide, and then we will scroll down till the last option, leaving the pool. If you are here and you don't have done the authenticate, then you can follow the card on the top, and that video will show you how can you authenticate. Okay, so go check and then you come back to this video. If you already know how to authenticate and you already done it, then we keep going. So you have two options, will be on your farmer. So we go back to my farmer. So here you will have the 30 option, will be leaving pool. On my farmer, you just click on leaving pool, and then you will have two options to leave the pool. The first one will be like this: you can rejoin at any time after leaving the pool. So what this means is you're going to leave your collateral balance on the platform, and you're going to take all the pending balance to your address, and that tell them you want to rejoin on the future. If you will rejoin or not is up to you. That may happen in 1 month, in 1 year, 2 years. You can just rejoin the pool because you leave your balance there. This collateral balance. But if you go for the second option, is so mark this option here and pay out my collateral balance, you will get a warning. Warning, this cannot be reversed. Join the pool is not possible after paying out the collateral balance. So that means all your balance will be paid. So we talk about the pending and this one too. And you may think, okay, this is the best option because I clean everything there and it's fine. But if you think a bit, sooner or later your farmer will be small compared to others. If you check the net space of Chives, you can see it is really tiny. It's a tiny one compared to other coins out there. So think about this. We are at the beginning of the Chives, and sooner the people understand they get more money here, they can get more advantage being mine the Chives, everyone is going to move. So this means you may have 20 terabytes, 30 terabytes, you may get 1 time a day a block. That is fine for you now, but imagine in 3 months, an half a year, how many people will join? And do you think you will continue getting in solo 1 or 2 coins a day? Of course not. So you will start to get less. Maybe when that happens, you may think about coming back to the pool. And if you press here and then make leave, you cannot join again. But one thing I have to say, you cannot come back to the pool with this public key you use to join the pool, but you can create a new one, and then you can create new plot and start all over again. And when you get your collateral balance, then you start again to receive your coins. But that will take a time. Of course, will be easier. You already have the plots, just rejoin and all done. So for that, all you have to do is leave this way. So this will be the smartest decision you may take, because you always have to think on the future. These 157 coins at the moment, they worth just a tiny compare what you may need in the future. Okay, at the moment we talk about $1 and maybe $2, let's say. These represent now $2, and on the future you don't know how much will be. Maybe it's $100. Yeah, you may think I'm crazy. No, believe me, I see the people walking, and I really believe the price of the Chives can go rocket moon. So guys, this is what I want to tell you about your decision. So the decision is yours, and make it wise. Let's go for the next step. So you're going to click here, leave. Okay, you get a warning here. Leaving the pool takes about a minute or two. Please wait. But the process is not all done. I'm going to leave the pool, and then I go back to the document, to the file, and we will check one more thing. We have to do it. Remember, soon you leave the pool, you also have to go to your config YAML and remove that pool payout address and your pool URL. So let's go to the file. Okay guys, we are back to our config YAML, the one we have to change a few things, and I'm going to show you the path. you already know, but if you don't know where you can find it, just go to your main disk, then users. Your username will be on the top. My case is Memar, and then you will follow Chives, mainnet, config, and inside you have your config YAML. Just open it, and inside you will have all the text you have to change and erase. So you have two options here. You may just simply go here and erase this line, and then you're going to erase this line, and then you just have to save, and you only have to do it. Or the other option, if you follow my guide, then you will know you have this option here. It was the backup. So this is the original YAML when I start the Chives for the first time. This was the original YAML created. So now I can also go here and replace this config YAML, and I don't have to do nothing more. Okay, just like that. It's all done. Now, you only have to do one thing more. Go to the website, download again the original GUI, and then just run it, and it's all done. You already leave the pool, and you are running the GUI, the original one, and you all the coins you're going to get from now on go directly to your address. Simple like that. For those who don't understand what I mean when I said you have to download again the program, let's just go here and then GitHub release. Then you will have the last version here. You just scroll down, and then you may grab your Windows version. You just have to download and just run it, and everything in here. You are now again a solo miner. So this is really, really simple. Let's go for one last thing. Okay, we are back to the pool. And I want to point you one more thing, because you may think, okay, he's telling me how to leave, and now I want to rejoin because I don't want to leave, but rejoin in fact. So if you follow that advice I gave you on this video and you want to rejoin, you only have to go here, rejoin the pool, and it's done. Okay? Simple. It's done. And remember, of course, to go to this step, if you are doing this in a month or 2 months or 6 months, you will need to do the authenticate parts, and then you have this option, rejoin. You already rejoined the pool, and you only have to do one more thing. It go again to your YAML, and then add those two steps you removed earlier. So you have to add the pool payout address and then the pool URL. So my advice here is the same. When you think about doing the backup for your config YAML, the original one, you can also do the same for this one. Let's say config and will be foxy, and then we go there, we save, and we only have to do like this. Okay, on this case, this was the original one, and then we want to go back to the foxy. We only have to go inside and copy and paste here. Okay, so these work for the both sides. So the idea will be the same. These will save you time on the future. So yeah, it's done, guys. You know how to leave the pool, and also how can you rejoin the pool, and it's simple like this. So if you like this video, you already know you will find me on the Discord. Just go there and follow, do your questions, and ask wherever you need to know. We will there to help you. I see you on the next video.